Hey, my crafty friends, it's Rick from RC Kisman Studio. Welcome back. I am here with another video for my witchy card creation series, which is my Halloween series. And today we are making a haunted house card using the haunted house dies from scrapbook.com, along with the spooky stamp set from scrapbook.com and the spooky pattern paper collection. Some great fun patterns in there for all your Halloween needs and beyond. So first we're going to do the haunted house. So I pulled some cardstock in a couple different colors. I pulled black, some gray granite, and some crushed curry. So we are going to cut out our haunted house and other elements. Pop that on there. Here. And then these are the outlines of the windows. Pop that on there. Then we'll do our clouds also. I've got a scrap of basic gray right here, so we'll use that for our clouds. Alright, so we're going to run all this through. Let me grab my mini cutter. Alright, we're going to cut a couple more bats. I was going to say I lost my plate. Alright, so there's that all cut out. Now we're going to layer all these up together. Alright, so we're going to start off. Add some liquid glue. And I mainly use only exclusively liquid glue now. It's more cost effective and a lot easier to use. Alright, so we're going to line these up. Put our glue on our outline. And if you're wondering why I'm not using Stampin' Up! Halloween stuff, check out the second video. I explain that. You can find it in the playlist. I will try to remember to link it above. Go. Pretty easy to line up. Now we will pop in our little windows. So let's see. Trying to think of the best thing to use for these. And pull in our little backing piece so I can see what's supposed to go where. When in doubt, always check your packaging. And I believe, my friends, we have had a casualty of war. But that's okay. One out of all these little pieces is not bad. And thank goodness for reverse tweezers. I would never be able to pick any of those up. All right, let's run that one little piece through. And I think we can do it super easily. Yeah, so what had happened was it had fell out of the die when I was doing the other part and didn't see it. So I had cut some of it. Alright, so there's our haunted house. I already got our piece of spooky paper. This is going to be our little heel we're going to cut. Our house is going to go on there. Here's our other little pieces. Figure out where we can get our sentiment at. pull in the stamp wheel. We're just going to stamp directly on our piece of pattern paper from the spooky pattern collection. Right there. Some fun little patterns. And this one is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. They also have them in 6 by 8 and maybe one more size. All right, I'm going to use VersaFine Clair ink to stamp my sentiment. Go. All right, we're going to go ahead and attach this to our card base, and it's just going to go flush. It's going to be the full front of our card. Got a little clue on my table. All right, so there's our card front now. Now we're going to figure out our little mountain, our little hill. All right, I'm going to take a pencil, if I can find one. I'm going to come down and come like that. And then we're just going to use our paper snips to cut that out. And I'm just cutting right below where I drew that pencil line. Let's go ahead and put our little heel on, line that up at the bottom. Snip that off. And I don't think I'm going to pop him up. I think I'm just going to attach it. Way we don't have to pay a lot in postage. All right, let's add in our fence. Pieces. Do I want it down here? I think I want it up here. there, and then we'll trim off the excess. Let's go ahead and put some little clouds up in there. A little twine out of the way. I'm going to put my little weather vane in. My other little cloud. All right, we're going to add our little bats. I'm really going to concentrate probably most of these around our sentiment to act as an embellishment. And I don't think we need our little moon. All right, my friends, so let me trim off any excess hanging over. And that is my finished spooky mansion, haunted mansion card. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.